Look at the thumbnail of this video again. If you pause the video and scan it right now, it's probably going to fail. You'll get a message that says, this content is only available during the witching hour. Come back at 3 a.m. And that's exactly what I wanted it to say. I built what I'm calling a witching hour QR code. Now, it is programmed to open exactly one specific link, but it only works between 3 a.m. and 3:59 a.m. Any other time, it's dead. It refuses to load the redirect. But here's the thing, if you're willing to go into your settings and manually change the time on your phone or computer to 3 a.m., it will actually redirect you. If you did that, you deserve what you're about to see. Now, before we get into the build, I'm not going to sit here and explain how QR codes work. You guys know what they are. There are dozens of videos on YouTube about alignment patterns, error correction levels, and the history of barcodes, you name it. If you want a more in-depth lesson, I would suggest taking a look at those. For the purpose of this video, I only care about what happens after you scan the QR code. The problem with normal QR codes is that they are static. Once you print on a sticker or a t-shirt, it's set in stone. If you burn a link to a YouTube video into a QR code, that code will always point to that video. You can't change it later. So I wanted something dynamic. That's when I came across the concept of conditional QR codes. The idea is very simple. Instead of pointing directly to a destination, the QR code points to a destination that has a script that makes decisions. When you scan the code on the thumbnail, you aren't going to the link provided. You are going to a tiny invisible website that I have hosted. Think of it like a bouncer at a club. You scan the code, your request hits the server and the script checks its watch. And it asks, is it 3 a.m.? If the answer is no, it serves you a static HTML page that says, go away. If the answer is yes, it triggers a 302 redirect and bounces you to wherever the script points to. Now, here's the thing about how this works. The script asks your device, hey, what time is it? And your device tells it whatever you have set it in your system clock. If you go into your settings right now, turn off Set Automatically and manually roll your clock forward to 3 a.m. My script looks at that, says, oh, looks like it's the witching hour, and it then unlocks the redirect. If you're smiling right now or maybe rolling your eyes, then you know exactly what I did. I'm not going to spoil it for the people who are too lazy to change their settings. I hope the server does not get a million requests because I'm still using the free version. Now, since I already built the architecture for this middleman script, I realized I could do something else with it. I put a second QR code up on the screen right now. This one isn't time-locked, it's just completely random. I took the same concept, which is a static QR code pointing to my script, but changed the logic. Instead of checking the time, I built a list containing the URL of some of my public videos. When you scan the second code, the script runs a randomizer and picks a link from that list and instantly redirects you there. Scan it once, you might get one of my best videos. Scan it again, you might get the terrible one from a few years ago with the bad audio that I forgot to delete. The beauty of this is that I never have to change the QR code. I can just update the list on my server. I can add new videos or remove deleted ones. Now, the point is, QR codes don't have to be static. Most people use them for restaurant menus or something like Wi-Fi passwords, but if you add a little bit of logic in the middle, you can control what the user sees, even after you've printed the code itself. Now, if you actually changed your clock and found the secret video, leave a comment saying 1987. If you scan the random QR and get an old one, well, see you in the next one then.